Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 7 Pro and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom again in order to find the build number. We have to localize it because it will actually allow us to activate the developer options. So basically all you have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. As you can see in my case there's no need because I've previously activated the developer options. And be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So for example the pattern, PIN or password. So now we can go back to the general settings and enter the system. So let's tap and the developer options will appear right above the reset options. So let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So as you can see, we've got a lot of options. So for example, we've got the background check. We've got also the limit of processes. Here we've got, for example, the option to allow window level blurs. Here we can change the animation scale, the window animation scale or transition animation scale. We've got some options which are connected to the input, so we can show visual feedback for taps. Here we've got some options which are connected to the Bluetooth and actually overall to the networking, because as you can see, here we've got also the USB and we've got the Wi-Fi options. So as I said, a lot of options to choose from to customize. And if you'd like to turn on the option, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, so for example like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings, much more options to choose from. So basically, if you're done with customization of developer options and if you'd like to turn them off, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher here. And as you can see, your device will ask you if you want to restart the device. So if you really want to close developer options, if you want to hide them, you will have to tap on restart. I don't want to do it right now, so let me just cancel it and get back. After restarting your device, the developer options will disappear from the system list, but of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So basically that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your Google Pixel 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.